Hey everybody, JC's Adventures here at Worldwide RV in Mesa, Arizona. Today we're going to go over something new that we've received. This is the 2023 Jayco Eagle HT, which is half-ton towable, 30.5 CKTS. That's central kitchen triple slide. Today I'm going to go and show you some of the things that are different, because as you're going to the RV shows, you want to kind of know what you're looking for and what you're looking at. So the Eagle is really nice. This is warranted for full-time RVing, and it is a 4-season RV or fifth wheel. Now we're going to start off. We have the front enclosed fiberglass cap. This is the same as a boat hull. So what that allows for is, as you're driving down the road, you don't need to worry about rocks and things hitting it, and you don't need to worry about weather getting in, because the seal is in here. So this actually comes together and gives you a full seal all the way around. The other thing with Jayco, different than every other make, is our roof system. We use a Magnum Truss roof system, which is a heavier duty grade. It's built just like an airplane wing. It is walkable and it will withstand 4,500 pounds. Where that's important, like we had a microburst, we had trees come down on them. They just don't get into the coach itself. And if you look up, you can go to Jayco.com and kind of see how real that is. If you're in an area where there's snow, it will withstand the weight. You don't have to worry about that. Also, our walls are a vacuum bonded wall system. Everybody uses the same material, but we put ours in a vacuum bag seal and put it under a 144-ton press and hold that for 16 to 18 minutes. What that allows for is you're not getting any delamination, you're not getting water issues, and again, just a better overall make. So again, heavy duty roof, heavy duty walls, giving you a good base structure for what you're doing. That allows us to go through it. Also, the bottom is sealed, so you have radiant heating that goes underneath there, which will allow you, again, those 4 seasons. As you come through, what's nice, instead of the smaller propanes as you've seen in some, here you have a 40-pound propane tank. You also have one on the other side. The other nice part, we use slam latches, but we also, instead of the old clips, have magnets. So now you can see that seals in, and as you can see, your basement's quite finished. You have the aluminum framing, and then this isn't the really light foil. It's actually about a 1/4 inch thick for that radiant barrier. Here you have the JayPort system, and I'll show you where this connects later, because that's actually for a grill. And then again, you have an outlet, you have cables, so you can set this up where you can run an outside area. As you look above, you have the awning, which is the LED lighting as well. And new to Jayco in 2023, you actually have a security camera. Now, this comes standard with we bring it in rather with the rear and side cameras, but as well as the security camera. So you take that same module that you put in your truck to use for the side and rear view camera. Well, when you're parked, you can bring it inside. There's actually a switch you can flip, and if someone's knocking at your door, it will activate that camera and allow you to see who's outside. As you can see, again, like I was telling you, it is warranted for full-time RVing, and it does have the climate shield. Now, we also are known, we're the only manufacturer that has a full 2-year warranty from tip to tip. That's 2 full cycle years, that's 730 days. The industry standard is 1 year, you guys, so anything else that you're buying, you're gonna have 1 year. With us, you're gonna have 2. 3-year structural, that is the same with everybody, but with us, again, you get a full year newer. Why? We believe in our product that much. We also, as you can look underneath, are running Goodyear tires. Those come with a 6-year warranty and an 87-mile-an-hour speed rating. Now, not that you're going to go 87 miles an hour, but you have that availability, so you know the tires are going to withstand it. A lot of the other manufacturers are using what we call China pops. They're not rated for high speeds at all, and they don't come with a warranty. Remember that JayPort I was telling you about? Well, that fastens in here, and you can literally, if I can get this out, there we go. As I pull this open, it fastens in here, and then you can put a griddle right on top. There's also hammocks. There's a bunch of different attachments that come with it. Again, the reverse lights are built in. Here's your rear view camera. And as you can see, you have a ladder which will withstand 250 pounds because this is a walkable unit. As well as it does come with a hitch that can tow 3,000 pounds. So if you're the type that wants to triple tow or needs to, you can see it right here. You can have your 5th wheel and then a razor or something behind it. And as you come along this side, again, we said you have 3 slides. So you can see this is a full slide which we'll go into. And you have opposing slides inside. and then that pass-through. Now right here, here is your water station. So you have an outside shower, and then you can fasten everything in here. Both your gray tanks and your black tank is fashionable. Again, another propane. This is 9954 dry. That's that half-ton total I was talking about earlier. Here's your battery station, and then again, pre-wired for a generator so you can put that in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look inside. Oh, one other thing, this does have the auto leveling, so that way when you're there, you can simply hit a button and level yourself out. As you come in, one of the nice things about our steps is take a look at this. It's one finger, you guys. It'll stay right there. This folds up so you don't have to worry about pulling those steps out. You do have a screen door so that when you're camping, you can leave that open. But come on inside and I'll show you what we've done. Now, when we talk about our water tanks, our fresh water tank is 81 gallons. So if you're the type that likes to boondock, you do have water to go everywhere else that you're going. You have, check this out, 82 a gray and 45 a black. They just keep giving you more and more availability to go off-road and to stay self-sustaining. So again, everything's for you. As well as we have the double propane and electric refrigerator and freezer. So as you can see, they've gotten better and better about giving you so many shelves and so much room to fit, because you want to be able to make sure that you're going out, and once you load up, you don't want to have to go out again. As you come in here, you can use that for a coat closet and or a pantry. Underneath you can store shoes. But look how deep that is. And I know it's kind of hard to tell, but you're about 18 inches front to back in that. He's taking you all the way in so you can get a good feel. And again, you have more over here, not quite as deep, but still plenty deep enough to put dinner plates or anything like that that you want to use. Here you have a nice station where you could set it up with your coffee maker. You do have an outlet up here to make sure, and you have the USB plugins there. All of our drawers are on roller bearings, and what that means is these, and you can see, there's no OSB or particle board anywhere in our units, you guys. We are a full plywood design with a floating cabinet inside for flexion, so you don't have to worry about your cabinets. Oh, speaking of cabinets, take a look at the hinges that we use. You guys, Jayco really does a phenomenal job at keeping the quality of the buildup, and that's one of the reasons that we give a full 2-year warranty. So if something happens, you're gonna be taken care of. And that's what Jayco really spends the time to do. As well as all the lights are LED lighting, and we use the Helix air conditioning system, so you are 40% quieter. This does have 2 air conditioners. So that's the way we order them. We're in Phoenix. It's important. You want to be able to stay nice and cool throughout. As you can see, you have your island here, and you have plenty of storage underneath as well, as you want to come around and take a look. Not only do you have that area, but you have another one right here, as well as your drawer where you can use silverware here, or as you turn around, you have these drawers as well. So again, everything is based on it. You have a full-size microwave. You also have the 3-burner stove and a decent-sized oven. Now, you're not going to cook a turkey in this thing, but pizza, warming up meals, things like that. I had a client the other day go, most people don't use it. I use mine all the time. Again, you have that availability. And again, more pantry space. So you can maximize this space how you see fit and really use it to the best of your advantage. Again, you guys, when you're in a fifth wheel, this is your home away from home. So you want to make sure that it's nice, that it's good quality, and you're taken care of. Jayco uses the Stacy Stewart collection, and we build everything in-house. So we actually have our own furniture makers, we have our own woodworkers. We are built by the Amish. So, and I'm actually going to be out in the factory next week. So hopefully we'll have some more videos for you on site so we can show you what that looks like. Again, you have the fireplace. You can use this for heat, or you can use this for ambient lighting. You also have the JBL sound system, and of course the nice size TV. This is built by Insignia, so it's built to go down the road and take that beating. So again, everything is designed around your quality. As you can see, you have blackout shades throughout, so you can seal this off and get it nice and easy to move. Now, when you guys are looking at different RVs, right here is something I really want you to pay attention to. As you look at other makes, pay attention to this. This is wood. It's not plastic, it's not OSB, it's not particle board. This is actually gonna take the beating of the long term. No one buys a fifth wheel for a year. No one buys it for 3 years. Your average, you're looking at 5 years or more. Some people keep them 10, 12 years. We wanna make sure that we have a quality product that's gonna stay together for that time. As well as you have storage up above here. You have a light switch here. And now here, let's take a look. One of the nice things, you guys, is this is actually a full-size bed. I left the cushions on, made it a little hard on myself. But so you can pull this out, and if you have friends or family that are staying over, you simply pull this apart. And I'm showing you because you really want to see what you're getting, right? Well, now you have a queen-size bed that you can keep for your friends and family to lay out. You also have the recliners here. So if you're hanging out with your friends, you're watching TV, just sit back, relax. Super comfortable. They're over 4-inch high density foam. It's ridiculously comfortable compared to some of the things that are out there. Again, a lot of you guys have been looking at different RVs. Pay attention to what you like. If you don't like the floor plan, it doesn't matter. If you don't like the coach, it doesn't matter, but you do want to make sure that it fits everything you need. Oh, one last thing in the kitchen. You can spray your friends. Again, you guys, have fun with this. Now, this will extend out to turn into a longer dinette. You have these 2 chairs, plus you have 2 under the bed. So this will give you a 4-person dinette. Again, you have the radiant heat from the flooring, and you have the air conditioning up above. Now, take a look here. This is our J-Command system. The J-Command system is nice because it gives you a full control over the entire coach. And come take a look. So I have my climate, my lights, my motors, my tanks. I can separate it this way. I can play with the lights. I can turn each one on, each one off. Again, the nice part about this is I can sync this up to my phone via Bluetooth and control the entire coach directly from my phone. Come on up. Now, the toilet is a porcelain base. You have a full medicine cabinet here. And then you actually have your water heater control located right here. Now our showers, take a look here. I'm about 5'7", 5'8" with shoes. Still have plenty of clearance. I have a client 6'3" that can fit in here and not have any worries. As always, you guys, the other thing to pay attention to is the shower. These are little things that people don't think about. In Jayco, we use a reinforced plywood with 2x4s underneath it to give you a stable base under the shower. We don't have sag. So again, long term, to be used for what you're looking for. Again, it's quality, right? Now, on this slide, you have your closet. So you have your closet area here. Again, take a look at the quality of the hinges. Right now, this one has a queen size bed in it. You could go to a king. You have more storage here for your closet. And again, like I was telling you, take a look up above and look down. That's the quality. Also, take a look right here into the ceiling. See this? Most other makes are going to look like this, even in the corner. Take a look. Notice we use a molding to make sure that you're not getting things that are going to come apart underneath the bed. These are on the piano hinges. That's that griddle that I was talking about. And there's that screen that I was talking about as well as your other dinettes. But take a look here, you guys. Again, look at the thickness of the plywood. We simply don't shortcut anything. We want to make life as easy as we can for you. Again, you have room. You can put a king size bed. You have light switches on both sides. You have power on both sides. You put a CPAP machine. Again, you have an air conditioner directly in the bedroom, and then an area here where you can mount your TV. And here's that button I was talking about for the security camera. So as you're going through, really pay attention to what you like. Again, this is the 2023 Jayco 30.5 CKTS. I hope you've enjoyed this today. We want to make sure that you get as much as you can. If you want to see other videos, go to our site. Again, worldwiderv.com. Take care, you guys, and have a great day.